Code match. Pulling and processing prices from specific service providers for the defined hotels in your system is quite simple in unique booking system. To match the data and prices from service providers to your hotels, first, from the Yield Management section, click on the Code Match button. In the window that opens, you can find the hotels and data you are looking for more easily by using the filtering options at the top. Click on the Import Excel Sheet button on the top right. In the window that opens, select the provider. And then select the required Excel sheet and click on the Upload button. You can see the previously matched hotels in OK state. Those that are paired but not in the OK state are suggestions of the system according to the proximity found by the system. After checking, you can click the Save button. To pairing the remaining hotels, we write the name of the hotel in the same row in Hotel Data from Excel section. And click on the Save button. That's all.